Cut. Okay, let's try this again.
All right, so I just bought a new headset, and want to make sure that sound is coming through Second Life settings. So let's go to chat. Um, Maybe that's not it. Let's go to sound, and we're gonna go to output device. Switch it over to new sound. Got a dot above my head, and got the little wave bars up there. So let's test out the connection between Second Life and Virtual DJ. You gotta go to your volume bar, go to your main input output selection. Make sure that your microphone or headset on your output device, your sound output, is synced with the or is linked with the headset that you're using. Go there. You also got to go into your settings. At your start menu, go into settings, go into system, from system, go into sounds, and make sure that you choose where to play sound. It's your headphones. Says choose a device for speaking or recording. And I made sure that allow apps and Windows to use this device for audio. Got to make sure that you allow that. Um, I'm not going to like format. This is my input volume. Um, Microphone test. Microphone test 1 2 1 2. Microphone test 1 2 1 2. And I don't have the volume all the way up. It seems it's at 29. I can hear myself. I'm fine with that. All right. Since I use my mic on 3 other things, I got to go through to those three other things. On Second Life, got to go to my avatar selection, my menu drop down window. I need to go all the way down to preferences. I got to go to sound and media. Under sound, at the bottom of the page, it says output device. Click on that. Make sure you have your headset and mic or whatever that you're using. Make sure that it's selected. When you change it, you might see a button come down that says apply. So you make sure you press apply. Like example, maybe not, I don't know. Then you press the OK button. And then you test yourself by looking at your dot above your head. And if you got it, you should have a dot up there. And then go down to local chat, click it and start talking. You should see your wave bars up there. Make sure you turn it off. Another location is virtual DJ. Virtual DJ, you go to your tools, go to your audio option. I can stop broadcasting. Already tested that. And you make sure that your outputs are connected to the headset microphone that you're using. Hit the arrows, drop down window comes, make your selection, and then you come down and left click on apply. For OBS, you go to your settings, go to your output, go to your recording, audio. Oops, I got egg in my eye. Go to the audio then. There we go. Desktop audio. Make sure you have it on your headphones. Your microphone. Make sure you have it on whatever microphone that you're going to use. Then hit apply and OK. I had a problem earlier because my my visuals, my video wasn't being recorded, or the sound on my video wasn't being recorded. So what I had to do was with my headset, I have two separate selections, or I have two different selections. Like, let me show you right here. I have a pro game and I have a pro chat. So I had to learn the hard way that my audio is coming mainly from the pro chat, and the video, what you hear from the video, is coming from the pro game. pro game. So once I figured that out and I changed the desktop audio to pro game, it worked. The audio from the video was working. So I hope that these few tips helped you out. Um, because man, I get lost sometimes. I had to relearn these steps, and I usually always have to. I thought last time I made a video of it, so I was looking for it. So I'm making sure now that the video is going to be here, DJ Poetic, and another playlist. I'm gonna make one called My DJ Tips. I don't know. It's going to be under here somewhere. All right. So I'll make sure that I'll put it in a description or something like that, or I'll edit it in once I figure it out. Okay. I'll figure it out. But anyway, thank you for watching. I hope you have a good day. Hope you have a good night. Hope you have a good morning. Peace.